Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on the application of TikTok. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you are scrolling down until you find this window here of TikTok and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You search about the application of TikTok. And then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.